A sea of green stretches as far as the eye can see. These fields are a testament to the dedication and hard work of American farmers. These are not your typical lawns. Each plant is carefully nurtured to ensure it grows to its full potential. These are fields of cabbage, a staple crop that feeds millions. From salads to soups, cabbage is a versatile vegetable that finds its way into many dishes. From coast to coast, American farmers dedicate themselves to producing billions of pounds of cabbage each year. This massive effort involves countless hours of labor from planting to harvesting. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. The dedication of these farmers ensures that we have a steady supply of fresh cabbage year-round. Cabbage thrives in cooler climates. The crisp air and morning dew provide the perfect conditions for these plants to flourish. States like New York, Wisconsin, and California lead the way in cabbage production. Each state has its unique climate and soil conditions that contribute to the growth of this hardy vegetable. The scale of these farms is impressive. Acres upon acres of land are dedicated to growing cabbage, showcasing the sheer magnitude of this agricultural endeavor. Imagine fields that stretch for acres, each row bursting with vibrant green cabbages. It's a sight to behold, and a reminder of the abundance that nature provides. The journey from seed to your plate is a long one. It starts with planting tiny seeds, which are then carefully tended to as they grow into robust plants ready for harvest. It's a testament to the hard work of farmers and the ingenuity of modern agriculture. Advanced machinery and technology play a crucial role in ensuring that the cabbage is grown efficiently and sustainably. So next time you bite into a juicy burger topped with crisp coleslaw, remember the journey of the humble cabbage? From the fields to your plate, it's a story of dedication, hard work, and the wonders of modern farming. It all starts with a tiny seed. This small, seemingly insignificant seed holds the potential to grow into a robust and nutritious vegetable. The journey from seed to harvest is a fascinating process that requires patience, care, and expertise. Farmers carefully sow these seeds in nutrient-rich soil, often using specialized planting machines. These machines are designed to plant seeds with precision, ensuring that each one has the best possible start. These machines ensure that each seed is planted at the perfect depth and spacing. Proper spacing is crucial as it allows each cabbage plant enough room to grow without competing for resources. Within days, the seeds sprout, sending up tiny green shoots. This is the first sign of life, a delicate yet powerful indication that the growth journey has begun. These delicate seedlings require constant care. Farmers must monitor them closely, ensuring they receive the right amount of water and protection from pests. Farmers irrigate the fields, providing a steady supply of water. Consistent watering is essential for healthy growth, especially during the early stages when the plants are most vulnerable. They also apply fertilizers to ensure the growing plants receive essential nutrients. These nutrients are vital for the development of strong roots and healthy leaves. As the weeks pass, the cabbage plants grow larger and stronger. Their leaves expand, soaking up sunlight and converting it into energy through photosynthesis. Their leaves unfurl, forming the tight, round heads we associate with cabbage. This process is gradual and requires optimal conditions to ensure the heads are firm and compact. Depending on the variety, it can take anywhere from 60 to 120 days for a cabbage to reach maturity. Each variety has its own unique characteristics and growth requirements. Harvest time is a busy period for cabbage farmers. They must carefully cut the heads from the stalks, ensuring they are handled gently to avoid damage. It's time to reap the rewards of their hard work and dedication. The harvested cabbages are then transported to markets and stores, where they will eventually make their way to our tables, completing the journey from seed to plate. Harvesting cabbage is a labor-intensive process that requires dedication and precision. While some farms utilize mechanized harvesters to speed up the process and reduce manual labor, many still rely on hand harvesting, which is a time-honored tradition in agriculture. This backbreaking work involves skilled laborers who carefully cut each cabbage from its stalk, ensuring that the vegetable is not damaged in the process. Using sharp knives, they trim away excess leaves, a task that requires both speed and accuracy. This meticulous trimming leaves the perfectly formed cabbage head ready for collection, showcasing the laborer's expertise. These cabbages are then gathered into large bins or crates, where they are carefully handled to prevent bruising. Once collected, they are loaded onto trucks, ready for transport to processing facilities, where they will be cleaned and packaged. The timing of the harvest is crucial. Farmers must ensure that the cabbages are picked at the right moment, cabbage must be harvested at peak maturity to ensure optimal flavor and texture, which can make a significant difference in the final product. Farmers carefully monitor their crops, looking for signs that the cabbages are ready for picking. This involves checking the size, color, and firmness of the heads. Once harvested, the cabbages begin their journey from the field to your plate, a journey that involves several stages. It's a journey that involves cleaning, processing, and distribution on a massive scale. Each step is crucial to ensure that the cabbage you receive is fresh and of the highest quality. Finally, the cabbages reach grocery stores, where they are displayed for customers to select and enjoy. The hard work of countless individuals culminates in this moment, bringing fresh produce to your table. Freshly harvested cabbages arrive at processing facilities often located near the farms. Here, they undergo a series of steps to prepare them for market. The first step is thorough cleaning. Cabbages are tumbled and washed to remove dirt, debris, and any remaining insects. Next comes cooling. Cabbages are rapidly cooled to remove field heat and preserve their freshness. This helps to extend their shelf life and maintain quality. Cooling is typically done in large refrigerated rooms or hydro-coolers, where cold water is circulated around the cabbages. Once cleaned and cooled, the cabbages are ready for the next stage processing. Section 5, Beyond the Field. Processing cabbage into diverse products. Cabbage is incredibly versatile. While some cabbages are sold fresh, a significant portion undergoes further processing. Processing plants transform cabbages into a wide range of products, from sauerkraut and kimchi to coleslaw and salad mixes. One of the most popular processed cabbage products is sauerkraut. This fermented delicacy involves shredding cabbage and mixing it with salt. The mixture is then left to ferment in large vats, developing its characteristic tangy flavor. Kimchi, another fermented cabbage product, hails from Korea and has gained global popularity. Cabbage is combined with a mixture of spices, including garlic, ginger, and chili peppers, creating a spicy and flavorful condiment. Section 6. Trucks, trains, and tables, distributing cabbage across America. Once processed and packaged, cabbage products are ready for distribution. A vast network of trucks and trains transports these products across the country, ensuring that grocery stores and restaurants have a steady supply. Refrigerated trucks maintain optimal temperatures during transport, preserving the freshness and quality of the cabbage. The distribution network is a marvel of logistics, ensuring that cabbage in all its forms reaches consumers quickly and efficiently. From small-town supermarkets to bustling city restaurants, cabbage finds its way onto plates across America. Section 7. The numbers tell the story: cabbage consumption and economic impact. The scale of cabbage farming in America is truly impressive. Each year, farmers harvest billions of pounds of cabbage, generating billions of dollars in revenue. This vital crop provides jobs for countless Americans, from farm workers to truck drivers to factory workers. Cabbage is not just big business, it's also a nutritional powerhouse. Low in calories and high in vitamins and fiber, cabbage is a healthy addition to any diet. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or fermented, cabbage provides a range of health benefits. Section 8. The humble cabbage, a vital crop for American agriculture. From its humble beginnings as a wild plant, cabbage has become a cornerstone of American agriculture. Its versatility, nutritional value, and economic importance make it a truly essential crop. So next time you see a field of cabbage, take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication that goes into bringing this versatile vegetable to your table. The journey of the cabbage from seed to plate is a testament to the interconnectedness of our food system. It's a reminder that behind every meal, there's a story of hard work, innovation, and the bounty of nature.